Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable Do Not Display Lock Screen on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable Do Not Display Lock Screen on Windows 11 computer, click on Settings, type GPEdit, click on Edit Group Policy. Group Policy Editor has been opened. Under Computer Configuration, go to Administrative Template and expand it. Now expand Control Panel. Click on Personalization. Here you will find an option Do not display the lock screen, and now it's not configured. Just right click on these settings and click on Edit. Now click on Enable and click on Apply. Then click on OK. And look, do not display the lock screen, and this settings is enabled right now. Close the Group Policy Editor. To take immediate effect of your changing settings, you need to update the group policy. Right click on Start menu, click on Run, and in Run type GP Update Force. Click on OK. Updating the policy. Computer policy update has been completed successfully. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.